Jamushu Travels is back, and today we'll share to you our United Airlines experience from Cebu to Narita and back. Likewise, we'll also add our experience at the airport lounges during this trip. Welcome to our kitchen! Ayan, ito tayo sa ating favorite na Plaza Premium dito sa Mactan International with our pansit, kanin, humba, and may bagong addition, fried egg. Bye-bye! 3. Hi! Hi! Traffic. Napasok.
UA33 today, going to Narita, Tokyo. Ay no, Narita, Japan.
Yung task boarding is now complete. Salamat ka. You for choosing to fly
Ano to,
United.
737. So, medyo luma na. Pero at least may in-flight entertainment. Yan. Tapos, I think full yung flight. So, medyo ubusan na sa overhead. Yan. Tapos, mamaya tingnan natin yung meals. Kung ano yung special nila. Pero mukhang okay, marami silang drinks. Yan. Pero yung food, malalaman natin. So, 4 hours flight. Ito, for almost 5 hours. So, 3:30 tayo darating ng Tokyo. Yan. So, see you later. Bye!
Choose to fly with United.
Hi!
Start. Hi! Parang ang ganda ngayon dito, no?
So much.
Thank you, arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you.
May sake, kami, smile. Ayan, so ano nakuha mo?
Sake cup.
Sake cup. Okay.
Bigay na lang natin sa papa mo. Sakto to. Kaya ito ata.
We will share in separate videos our New Year in Japan adventure. For now, let's fast forward and we'll share our experience going back to Cebu. So, bago pumasok doon. So, kamusta naman yung pag-check-in?
Digital daw.
Continue.
Ito meron.
Okay. Okay, finish? Finish! So, lalipat na tayo ng loop, no? Ayan. So, yung mga lounge kasi dito pangit. Snacks lang. Pero, tingnan namin kung
Pwede ako mag-round.
may mapili daw dito pagkain si Baby Jammy. Let's see.
Okay, so kain tayo dito sa may Tokyo Food Bar near, duty free sa South Wing ng Narita Terminal. So, yung prices nila parang medyo mahal ng konti lang. Pero hindi naman sobrang mahal compared sa So, ito set chashu rice tsaka ramen. Yan, 180 yan itong dalawa. So, pwede na. Try muna natin yung ramen ko. Masarap. Yan. So, may toppings na egg, half egg, tsaka isang chashu. Sarap. Okay din. Kyushu ramen yung pangalan pala. Ayun lang. Cheers! Bye! Konti lang. Pero masarap.
Pero okay na kasi expected namin snacks lang.
Mm.
Pero tunay na may kanin, may noodles, everything. So, okay na siya.
Ano? Okay na rin.
Ano pangalan ng lunch ito?
Superior NOA Lounge. Yan.
So, yun. Bye-bye.
Yan. Uwian na. Going back to Cebu. See you. Bye-bye.
So that's the end of our United Airlines experience going to Japan from the Philippines. So this is also another airline alternative for your next adventure. So until next time, bye-bye!